Good. Nice to meet you.
Hey, Quinn. Good to
Andrew.
meet you. And then lost all of the keys, including the emergency key. That's all I have left.
Okay. If you wanna like open emergency key with a new key, for me it's gonna be like $500.
It's fine.
You fine?
Yeah.
All right.
Whatever. I just need to, I need to be able to use my car. I don't really give a fuck.
Okay. We take it out here. So now we're gonna make a duplicate with XM38. Put the smart killer and this one. Lock, lock, and start the car. Ready. So we got a 2012 Lexus CT200H. We got the emergency key. To the left, to the right.